I don't want to share everything that's going on in my life on social media. That's what one of my clients said the other day. And there is this weird misconception of what we as business owners have to share on our social media platforms. In this video, I'm going to explain why you feel confused on this topic and bust the myth about being omnipresent on social media. And I'm giving you 3 ways to create content that is personal, but won't feel like it's intruding into your personal life. Hi, it's Nicoline Huizinga here. I'm a business clarity strategist. My clients go from best kept secrets to absolute authority in their fields, and I want you to be that absolute authority in your field too. One of the biggest misconceptions is that business owners think they have to share everything online. Personally, I feel very hesitant to share very personal stuff with my audience. Last summer, we were renovating our new home, and after months of renovations, we moved into a home that wasn't finished yet. I didn't feel the need to share that with my audience, as it wouldn't bring any value to them, nor would it be a very dynamic picture, as this was a huge project. I did question if I should have, especially when other business owners do share many personal experiences like this. So was I wrong? Yes, I am my business, and yes, I am a personal brand, but I'm not an influencer. Sure, I want to influence, but from a leader's perspective, not from an influencer's perspective. And it's not just me. I believe we don't have to be influencers in order to be successful. I'm not a hip, young, trendy, exciting influencer. I am happy to be a business owner with a personal brand. The distinction is this: business owners like me have an option to share, while it's an influencer's job to share everything that happens in his or her life. New shoes, a meal, a bad day, a holiday, dinner with friends, a car broke down, you name it. Influencers share things while they're happening. Business owners with a personal brand share after things have happened and when they have distilled the lessons and when they're ready to share them. Influencers share from the wound. Personal brands share from the scar. I know what I prefer, but it's up to you what you want to be, and there's no judgment there. All I'm saying is, if you don't feel like sharing everything from your personal life, then don't. It's okay. So if you don't want to share everything that's going on in your life, here are 3 tips that you can share and still be personal. So you'll still be sharing personal stories and experiences while providing value for your clients without doing it real time. Now, tip 1. Share a tip or an advice on the most common question that you get. Explain why this is the most burning question, and if possible, add a personal example. Perhaps your audience has the same question, and then you're handing them the answer on a silver plate. Tip 2. Share a mistake that you made in the past and the lesson you learned from it. By doing so, you're showing your human side. And let's not forget, humans want to do business with humans, and especially when they're willing to show that they're not perfect. Tip 3. Bust a myth on a common belief in your industry and be clear why this is not true. And the bolder you dare to be, the better. Your audience will love you for sharing those insights with them. They may dislike you for it too, but then it's good to realize they would never be your clients anyway. Share how or when you realized this common belief was not your own. Think about the story behind this. What made you start to have an alternate view? Or what happened the first time to dare to share that view? There must be an experience that gave you the insight into seeing things differently. So if you're looking around at other entrepreneurs and feeling like you should be sharing all the details from your day, and yet you don't feel like doing that, you're just not comfortable, it's okay. You can be a personal brand and influence without stepping into being an influencer who typically shares every of their experiences as they're happening. You can do that, but you can do it on reflection instead. If you need any help on creating great content for your audience, check out my other videos on content creation, and I'll see you next time.